everybody or majority of the world like football, right? So their viewer customers are more, plus telecasting or providing the match viewership, its cost is very low. You just need camera and technology, and that you can broadcast it to internet, to news channels, to sports channels, to everywhere you can do that. So in that case, you will receive more, advertisement, and it is justifiable to give them some shares because this player is giving you more income, more advertisements to the channels. Similarly, a job becomes superstar if everybody wants that job, plus it is available at low cost. So why you don't see a superstar carpenter? Because everyone wants the best carpenter, but it is not available at low cost, right? This is not like a movie store. It has a limited version and it cannot satisfy all the workers. All right, guys, understand? Now let's talk about above equilibrium wage. So up till now, what we have discussed five determinants of equilibrium wage. If we cannot explain the answer why there is a difference between the wages, and if we cannot explain it through compensating differential, through ability, chance, and effort, through education, through signaling, and through superstar phenomena, then there must be other explanation why people are getting above equilibrium wages. Number one, government requires to pay higher salary. Government passes minimum wage law. Like in Shanghai, the minimum salary of unskilled worker is at least 4,000 yuan, or at least I think 3,500 yuan. All right. Maybe previously it was 2,000, or in some cases 1,200 as well. So, but the government says that everyone has to pay at least 4,000. So people are getting above equilibrium wages. Why? Because of the government laws. Number two, what if worker demand higher salary? Right? People are getting above equilibrium salary. What if government demands that? It means there is a law passed. We call this minimum wage law. Number two, market power of unions. So when unions decide to get higher salary, why? So normally, what are the unions? Unions are a union is a worker association that bargains with employers over wages and working conditions. And whatever their worst case scenario, if you don't offer them, they go and have strike. And strike means they withdraw intentionally, purposefully withdrawal of the labor from a firm by a union. So it will cost you money. Sorry. So it costs you your money and losses as well because you are not producing and not meeting the orders. Now the last one is so higher salary, above salary because of workers through unions. And the third one is efficiency wage, which are intentional by employer. So there are three explanations whether government wants you to pay higher salary, minimum wage laws, whether worker wants you to pay us higher salary, it means above equilibrium through market power of unions. Third one is when employer himself pay the higher salary. No, why employer pay the higher salary? First of all, so that its employees may not leave its company. Number two, it increases workers' effort because workers know that if I'm getting 5,000 salary and if I join other company in the market, they are offering only 4,000. So in order to stay in this company, I need to be at my best. Third one, sorry. The third one is raise the quality of workers that apply for job at the firm. If, so normally you have read those kind of advertisement. Your requirements are blah 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 blah, and we will pay you above market wages. So if only serious candidates apply here. So if you see the job description and you see that okay, I have the degree, I have the qualification, I have the experience, I'm serious as well, and I deserve better as well. So you apply that. If they don't add this only serious candidates apply here, then maybe they will be receiving 1 million CVs of the workers. By just adding, enhancing the education and all the stuff, maybe they will be receiving only 100 CVs. So it's better to find out good person among 100 rather than in 1 million. So they advertise the about the quality of workers so that only that worker apply who deserve this kind of job, and also their workload also decreases. Understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good. So up to now, what we have discussed there is a logical explanation of equilibrium wages through compensating differential, through ability, chance, and effort, through human capital theory, through signaling theory, and through superstar phenomena. And even then, people are getting above average salary or above equilibrium salary, then there must be a logical explanation whether government wants you to pay higher salary, whether workers want you to pay higher salary, or whether employer himself is paying higher salary. If all others are even not fulfilled, then we can say that okay, now there is discrimination. Let's talk about this concept. So when the supply of workers is plentiful, one would predict that the market wages would be, you tell me, when the supply of worker increases, the wages, Venetia, Havarun, Nana, Priscillo, Lancelot, Oliver, Marco. Which one is correct here?
E.
No, it's C. When supply increases, prices go down. In this case, prices are wages, so wages go down. So supply affect the wages. All right. B cannot be the answer. A cannot be the answer. D cannot be the answer. How about this? As more companies rely on computer databases and less on filing cabinets, demand for computer programmers will rise. Wages paid to filing clerks will rise. wages paid to computer programmers will rise. Which one is true? 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1 and 3, and 1, 2, 3. All above. Which one is? Malaysia, Pavarun, Nana.
Is it 1 and 3? C.
Well done. Because when demand of databases are high, it means computer programmers demand will be high. So when demand is high, wages of these worker, which are programmers are high, and wages of clerks will be declining. All right. So C is correct. Well done. And now answer this. Which of the following theory would suggest that attending schools does not improve productivity, but that high ability people are more likely to stay in schools? You tell me. Oliver, Lancelot, Priscillo, Marco, Nana, Venetia, Pavarun. Guys, you are with me?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm not sure. A.
So we are talking about schools. Did we talk about the physical capital theory? No. Neoclassical theory? No. We only talked about human capital and signaling. So which one is correct?
Is it C?
No. See why? Because human capital theory says that higher higher the degree, higher the salary. While signaling theory this says that higher the degree, not necessarily higher the salary. Higher the degree which increases the ability, higher the salary. So education correlate to ability. So which means, so like I gave you the example, if I'm doing the job and I'm attending chemical engineering school, but my job is banking, so that does that mean I have improvement in my ability as with respect to productivity? Answer is no. So if I wanna if I want to increase my ability, I would go to the school which increases my ability, and that would be the management school. Guys, you got it?
Yep.
If you got it, then
Yeah.
answer this question. The most popular movie stars have high incomes for a number of reasons. One of such is